Hey guys, my name is Julius and welcome to the world of viewneo. Today I would like to show you our new template designer. So let's get straight into the CMS and create a new template. The first thing we notice is the new dark mode. We can change this back to the original design at any time in our settings. I like that dark mode quite a lot, so I'll leave it at that. Okay, so let's see what we got on the left side. We can add a media file, text, some shapes and some stock footage from Pixabay. Let's imagine that I have a cafe and I would like to build my own personal menu card. Okay, first of all, let's start with a picture. I already uploaded one. So we choose media file and add my cafe photo, which I like very much. And on the right, we can choose if we want to repeat our picture. I like to have it like that. It looks fine. We can also adjust it manually and we can change the opacity from 100% to, for example, 40. But in my case, I would like to have it at 100%. What is also new? We have a grid which we can activate on the right side, which can help us to adjust our text, object or any other layers perfectly. Here we can make it more bigger or smaller. What else do we have? We have the option to show some rulers, which also can help us to adjust our text layer or our objects perfectly. So let's start creating our menu board with some text layers. I would like to sell some snacks and some drinks, and let's add a text over here and type in snacks. What can we do now? You see, we can choose between many different text styles. And also if we click on more fonts, here we have the opportunity to choose one that we like or one that fits to our restaurant. I choose this one. And this one. Now we can scale it a bit. And we can make it bigger or smaller. Also, we can change the text color and the opacity of it. What else do we have? We can add a border, which we can also make bigger or thinner. We can choose any color we want to have. And we also can add some shadows over here, which we also can adjust as we want to. Okay, so for now, let's type in all my snacks I'd like to offer in my restaurant. Okay. I like that. Now let's add my drinks. Okay, that was fast. Thanks to the duplicate function here on the right. We can also rename our layer, copy our layer, paste our layer, delete our layer, move backward or move in background. What else is new? We can select all our layers at the same time and can scale them, rotate them or move them. But now we have a problem because my background also moves and I don't want that. But no problem, we can now lock objects if we click on that. And now if we'd like to move or rotate our text layer, our background remains standing still. Okay, what next? Let's add my prices. Okay, I'm finished. Now I would like to have my own logo on my menu card. Finally, let's add some crazy animations. We can find them on the right side. For example, if we click on the layer we want to animate. Okay, so here we can set up when our animation should start and when it should end. Here we can set how often the animation should be played, when it should start and for how long it should run. Here we can choose one of many animations. I would like to have a classic slide in or something. Yes, that one. I would like to start it after 1 second and I want it to last only 1 second. Now let's click on preview. And you see, it worked. The cool thing is that we can see every change to our template directly in the preview without having to save it beforehand, as was previously the case. Good, then I'll animate the rest now. Okay, I'm finished. Let's see if it worked. Looks very nice. I'm happy with it. Okay guys, that's actually it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.